The workflow that we see in this presentation begins in REVIT. In this example, let's consider that the architect shares the REVIT project file with us, which we will use as a reference to plan the factory layout or create custom fabricated components, taking reference of the building design. Let's start here in REVIT. This REVIT project file contains the manufacturing facility building along with the details of columns and structural frame members. You will notice, apart from the whole building model, there are two custom views created. One with visibility of roof switched off and another with both roof and structural frame members hidden. This REVIT project file can be shared simply as a file or via BIM 360 docs. We need to reference this inside of Inventor so we can work on the factory layout with reference to the building model. We can start here with an empty Inventor factory layout assembly, and we'll pick the place tool and drop down and choose the place imported CAD file and browse to the file that we want to open. As the Inventor Any CAD dialog opens, we'll be presented with a list of saved views and their associated category lists that are available within the REVIT project. We'll pick the No Roof from the list and click OK. The REVIT project is inserted into the Inventor assembly file just like any other component. We want to make sure that the coordinates of the REVIT project matches the coordinates in Inventor. So we'll right click and choose Place Grounded at Origin. If we move our attention to the browser, we'll see that the inserted REVIT model has a small blue arrow icon. This indicates the REVIT model has been linked into the Inventor assembly using any CAD. As we move to the right, we'll notice that this particular set of windows is not aligned with the adjacent set. So let's zoom into this area and see that this is not aligned. So if the REVIT file is updated, the inserted REVIT file will update inside Inventor, and so we'll see how that works now. Let's switch back to REVIT and make the change. In this case, we want to change the window height from the floor from the existing 5 feet to 3 feet. We select all the 3 windows and change it from 5 feet to 3 feet. So let's save this model and switch back to Inventor to see any CAD in action. You will notice the building model update notification appear as an orange lightning bolt next to the browser mode. Let's zoom into the window area before executing the local update command to apply all pending changes. It's going to take a couple of seconds, and there it has been updated. Now that we've seen how building model associatively integrates with the factory layout, it's time to start designing the factory layout, which Kirti will talk about.